This is why I always have pickled onions in my fridge, and I think you should too. It contains high amount of good probiotics and digestive enzymes. Take 3 small or 2 large red onions. Cut the onion with a knife as finely as possible. You can also marinate white onions, but the red one has more antioxidants. Now pour the onion slices into a larger bowl so that we have enough space to mix. Take 4 cloves of garlic and cut them into slices, then put them on top of the onion. Now add 3 spoons of sugar and a spoon of salt over the chopped onion. For more flavor, add a teaspoon of oregano. Mix well with your hands the onion and all the spices, salt, and sugar. Then move it into a 500 milliliters jar. It fits perfectly and doesn't even need to be pressed much. Pour the apple cider vinegar on top. I combine it with coconut vinegar when I have it at home. It has a bit more vitamins and amino acids. It must cover the onion perfectly, but not flow out of the jar when you close the lid. Now put it in the fridge, and after 2 hours it can be used. But it can be kept for up to 2 months in the refrigerator, and it keeps getting better. Please share this recipe with your friends.